Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Ellie. I do lifestyle, motherhood, and beauty videos. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today we will be doing a FabFitFun unboxing. It's actually the spring box. I'll put the link down below so you can get your like $10 off your first order if you decide to order this. And so yeah, let's just unbox this box. So this box is pretty much a mixture of a lot of items. It could be like bags, clothing, makeup, skincare, like anything that you can name that would fit in here. You could have that. It will ask you like a series of questions and pretty much what it is that you'd like to have in the box, and they go based off that. So this is my box. It's pretty big. So it's this one. As soon as you open it, it has these things on there. This is pretty cute. It has this, the magazine. Let me show you. This magazine on there, which I found out that the products that you get are in here, and then these are also some of the products you could have gotten in the box, and pretty much just gives you information about it. And yeah, so if you like reading magazines, it gives you like little fun facts. And also what comes at the top are these three things. They're like little cards that if you want to use. So I got like 9 free meals from HelloFresh. And then I also got like a $45 Discover a Wine You Love. And then you get like a little Crooked Teeth Bite Me kind of like subscription. And then I actually haven't opened it up just because I wanted to do it on camera with you guys. So it has this little thing. It's like a little sticker on it. I'm super excited. OMG! That's all that there is in there. So let's just start with this side. So they actually gave me silicone straws. Let's see that. Ooh, these are super cute. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. And then it has like a little thing you can even clean it with. What? Love this for sure. Then, oh my gosh, wow. You can actually carry it in here. That's pretty cool. Wow. Okay. I like that so far. And this is my favorite color right now. This little like green teal thing. So I find it kind of funny how they actually have this the same color. Alright. Alright, so I got that. So the straws actually retail for $15. And then I got this, this Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This one retails for $40. So this is like a mask, like a deep sleep body cocoon mask that like supposed to like help your skin stay hydrated, nourishing while you sleep. And then I got this hair care fast food leave-on conditioner. Wow, this one retails for $24. I actually wanted like more treatments for my hair just because it is getting pretty long, and I wanted to like stay that way because it did take me a long while to like grow it back out after I had it short. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so I just actually found out what this is. This is an actual like thermal spring water for your face, which is supposed to like hydrate, soothe, and soften your skin. Well, can't wait to try this then. And I believe this one retails for $14. Not bad. Let's move on. Whoa, this is kind of heavy. What is this? Oh, it's a sleep mask. Okay, let's open this. This is pretty heavy, and it does say it on here. It's a weighted sleep mask. It says with weighted beads for up to 1 pound of evenly distributed pressure. What does this do though? Let me see. Oh wow, this is actually supposed to like touch like key pressure points on your face, and it's supposed to make like all light disappear, and just wow. This actually retails for $39.99. That is crazy. Let me see. Let me try it on. I think I can even put it over like this is cute. Ooh, I can feel the pressure. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm gonna use this tonight. Let's move on to the next items. there is this Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. Wow. This is actually formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment visibly minimizes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And then this retails for $78. I guess I need to start worrying about stuff like that. Alright, moving on. I got this Stone Cold Fox tea towels. Oh wow, that's cute. These retail for $38. Let's open it so I can show you guys how it looks. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, that's nice. And there's 2 of them. Wow, it's cute, especially because it has like spring color vibes, like with that little color on there. Wow. So this is the next item. This is a Donny, I hope I'm saying it right, ripped sweater. It transitions into spring with relaxed cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes. This is actually $99. Probably like the item that costs the most on here. Ooh, and I did want a cardigan. Wow, this is crazy. This looks cute. Oh my gosh, I gotta try this on for you guys. Hold on. OMG, look at this. Wow. I think I'm in love with this. And it has like little small pockets in here. It feels so lightweight. It's so comfortable. And it has even like some space. Wow. Wow. It feels so comfortable and relaxing. I love it. I think I'm gonna have it on for the rest of the video. Dang, these are exciting and good stuff. So yeah, like I said, I will have like a $10 off down below in case you guys wanna buy it. I believe it is $49.99 for a box, but if you use that $10 code, it will be $39.99. So yeah, that's what I got in my box. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I have to go show Daniel. This is so exciting. He gets super excited for me.